Learning your own lines is the fastest way to get conversational and later fluent in the language that you're learning. And the easiest way to do that is to write down everything you want to be able to say by topic, translate it into the target language, and then you can here to My Collections, import new island. You paste it here. This is just an example. Give it a title, test, and sentences. Right. I recommend you choose these always. Test one and create island. And our language island is ready. So you click here and you get your sentences that you translated and pasted with the translation on and the audio. So you can now read them, listen to them, and practice active recall and shadowing with them. So what I recommend you do is you read while listening first. Yeah, click here, read while listening. Then without the meaning on, you should be able to understand them easily because it's your own sentences translated, right? It's your own words, so you know what you were talking about. And then you do a couple of reps, maybe even 5 reps at first per sentence, and you listen and repeat your sentences over and over because these are high frequency, they're useful. You will want to say them in real conversations. So learn them well. Yeah. Lots of reading, lots of listening, repetition, spaced repetition, and shadowing. Practice actively. Say them aloud. And finally, you click here and you try to say them in the target language without having them in front of you. So I have a YouTube channel about language learning. Tengo un canal de YouTube sobre aprendizaje de idiomas. Yeah, unsurprisingly. And you keep testing yourself. You can do this like with flashcards, basically. And you do this over and over until you have learned around 1,000 useful sentences, your own sentences that you want to use in real life. And with this, you'll be pretty much fluent in most scenarios.